What's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to make dry ice out of a SodaStream dispenser. All you need is a SodaStream bottle with a full canister. Now this one in the back is a full cylinder. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you can extract the CO2 out of that and essentially get dry ice out of it. So what you need to do is you need a clean towel. So I've got a towel here, and you just need a bit of hose. Now this bit of hose will just fit straight over to the nozzle like so, that you can push straight on. What you want to do is get your towel, make a fist inside of the towel, so that way you've got like a little pocket where the dry ice will sit. Now what you want to do is just make sure that you can get your hose into the bottom of your fist that you've made in your towel, like so. Then what you want to do is tip the cylinder upside down. So CO2 in these cylinders are a liquid. So what you want to do is you do it like this, so that way you can extract the liquid. So what you want to do is full throttle on the button and let it all go into the towel. Like so. Now, if you bang it around a bit, you can loosen it up. But now if we open this towel up, you can see all the dry ice that we've just made. So that there's essentially the same way that you can do it in a fire extinguisher. And that's how you get your dry ice. Now, I'll fill up the sink. So that way I can show you that there is dry ice. Now it's not a real solid, it's a soft dry ice, but it still does the trick. So if I grab some there. Now as you can see, it's very fluffy. So it's not exactly like a solid, but what we can do is tip the towel out upside down into the water, making sure that we do get it into the sink, not all that. There we go. Like so. Now dry ice is extremely cold. It will cause burns on your hands if not held without gloves or proper equipment. I don't have the gloves on, as this is just a quick video or a little tutorial on how to make dry ice with your SodaStream. Now if you did like this video, please like and subscribe. I can do another video. I do have another video that I've done on how to refill the CO2 cylinders. So definitely, if you want to check that out on how to refill these at 80% of the cost, is a lot cheaper than refilling it by in-store or exchange. So have a look down at the bottom, I'll put it in the description. Again, thanks for watching, appreciate all your support, I'll see you on the next one.